Okay, everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and welcome back to our crash course on using the Ghost platform to build your membership site. And for those of you who aren't going to watch this till the end, if you are interested in Ghost but find that the hosting on Ghost Pro is too expensive, send me an email, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and I'll send you the host that we use for Ghost that is far less expensive than paying for Ghost Pro and confers all of the same benefits, if not significantly more. More traffic, more visitors, more pretty much all of the quotas or whatever it is, whatever the right word is. They offer, the host that we use offers a lot more of all of that at a far lower price point. All right, so here is the brand new offers function feature set within Ghost. As you can see in this particular blog, we haven't even set one up yet. It's really, really easy to use. And again, it's completely no code. This is not something that's difficult to do. There's no plugins. It's built in to the bones of the Ghost platform, making it super easy to create offers. So let's do this here. We're going to call this Cyber Monday. And as you can see, you get this really nice preview here on the right-hand side. Here is the discount information, so the cadence. In this case, you can choose either a percentage off or a dollar amount off. So let's say I chose 50%. It's going to reduce that payment here to $7.50, as you can see, because the monthly fee that we have set up is $15. So let's change that to dollars and just say $5. You can see now it's going to take off $5 that quickly. So rather than 15, this offer is now $10 on Cyber Monday. And again, the duration tab, you can toggle between forever, multiple months, or first payment. In other words, are people paying $10 for the first month? Are they paying $10 forever, or are they paying $10 for multiple months? You decide, right? So in this case, I'm going to change it to forever. Let's scroll down. Here's the display title. Here's the code. We're going to call this Cyber Monday. And again, this is the portal settings. So you can see here, this is the way it's going to display on your portal. And here is where you'd write something catchy. Save big, bitches. That's probably not something you'd want to actually write there, but as you can see, it appears right here. So you can actually use this area in a way far more constructively than I just did, that you would say, you know, I don't know, save $60 a year on Cyber Monday. All right, and you can see, again, the only salient thing I'm trying to demonstrate here is all of this appears right here, making it very, very prominently positioned within the offer itself. All right, so that's pretty much it. Then you just hit save. I'm not going to save this particular offer because I don't want to use this particular offer on this particular site, but that's the only step that I'm not going to show you, which is saving the offer, and it's complete, right? And then you can create another offer simply by going back to the offers tab and generating it again. Okie doke. So if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to me, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com. And if you have actually watched to the end and you are interested in starting a membership site on Ghost, it's really a great platform. Don't take that from me. You can read the reviews and look at the example sites that are out there in the wild, in the world. Ghost is awesome. The only challenge is that it can be pricey relative to WordPress, which is its closest analog, and you don't have to. Let me restate that. It's free. Ghost is free, but you have to pay to host Ghost somewhere. And most folks are using Ghost Pro, which is kind of expensive relative to WordPress. But we have a couple hosts that we use, and one in particular that I really highly recommend. That's been pretty exemplary in many ways and really responsive to questions and troubleshooting. So send me an email, and I'm happy to recommend them to you. I'll send you our affiliate link privately, along with some other good Ghost resources. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much, as always, for watching mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and have a wonderful day.